Now in the next 4 clips, we're going to be going over how you would find error. Basically, if you crunch all the numbers and your register isn't balancing out to what it should be, what sort of things would you look for? Now, working in a financial institution for over 5 years, there's a couple of things that we see that are more common than others. I would say the first most common thing that we see when there's a discrepancy is addition errors. So the first thing you want to do is go through your register and double check your addition and subtraction. Make sure that you added in your deposits correctly, make sure that you wrote in your debits correctly, and that you subtracted them correctly from your running total. Now, if you balance your checkbook every month, this shouldn't be too difficult, because assuming you balance the previous month, you should only have a month's worth of transactions to reconcile. So basically, start with your ending balance from last month and just basically re-add everything, re-subtract everything, and make sure that the math was done correctly, basically. If it was done correctly and there was no addition or subtraction error, then we'll move on to the next item and what you should look for when you're trying to find a discrepancy.